Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with AWS S3 for secure cloud storage, detailed guide step by step clearly. To register for AWS S3, start by visiting the AWS Management Console. Create an AWS account if you don't have one already. Click on Create a free account to begin the registration process. Fill in the required information, including your email address, password, and AWS account name. Proceed to the next page to complete the account setup. Enter your contact information accurately. Select the billing method that suits your needs. Provide your payment information, including a valid credit card. Confirm your identity by providing a phone number for verification. AWS will send you a verification code via a phone call or SMS. Enter the verification code to complete the identity verification step. Next, select a support plan that fits your requirements. Once your account is set up, log into the AWS Management Console. Navigate to the AWS S3 service from the Services menu. Click on Create Bucket to start storing your files. Choose a unique name for your bucket, keeping in mind the naming conventions. Select the AWS region closest to your location for better access speed. Configure options like versioning, logging, and encryption as needed. Set permissions according to your security needs. Click Create Bucket to finalize the setup. Your AWS S3 bucket is now ready for use. You can upload files by clicking on the Upload button within your bucket. Drag and drop files or select files from your computer to upload. Ensure you configure the upload settings properly. Review the upload progress and wait for the files to be uploaded. Once uploaded, files can be managed, shared, or accessed anytime. Regularly monitor your S3 usage through the AWS Management Console. Implement proper security measures to protect your stored data. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.